Hello guys, welcome to Anbim Debe YouTube channel. In case you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. So in this video, I want to teach you how to make use of iPic application to edit your pictures, and it will give you a high quality picture for your thumbnails. So it is good when you want to do a cutout picture to make your thumbnail or anything like that. So immediately you click on your iPic, it will open. Click on the import button to import the picture that you want to edit or you want to cut out. So you search your gallery to pick a particular picture that you want to use for your thumbnail. You know, thumbnail is very essential for YouTubers. It is one of the thing that it is one of those things that attract viewers to your video. So I'm using this particular picture. I've clicked on the picture, and here you can retouch your pictures, you can add your filters, you can adjust, effect is there. So I'm clicking on the cutout button. So you press on the auto select. When you press on the auto select, the picture will automatically cut out for you. Then you click on good. After that, you scroll your screen and click on the touch up button. When you click on the touch up button, you click on smooth. So when you click on the smooth, smooth is to 100%. After that, you click on the retouch. On the retouch button, you click on even. So you turn it to 100%, the smooth to 100%. It is very good to clear out anything on your face. As you can see on my face, I have pimples on my face. So it was able to clear it and make it smooth for me. That is how it's going to do to your pictures as well. iPic has no watermark, so you click on the adjust button. Once you click on the adjust button, you just click on the enhance image. It will automatically enhance your image to high quality image. iPic has no watermark at all, and the application is a free app that you can use at any time. So once it loads to 100%, in case you are watching for the first time, please make sure you share. Then you click save. Your pictures has been saved already. So there is a huge difference between your former picture and your new pictures. So I use it for this as well. Thank you for joining me on the show today. Kindly share, like and comment. Thank you.